Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, student.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. So, today, before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Who is the leader in this class?
Gadis.
Gadis. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, Miss. So, in order to study, let's pray together and begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Gadis. Okay, now I will take your attendance first. If I call your name, please raise your hand and say first.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Diva, Dana, Hesti,
Present.
Gadis,
Present.
Mira,
Present.
Fikri,
Absent, Miss.
Gadis.
Okay. Okay, class. Before we dive into today's main topic, we are going to play a game to have our breaks. And here, I have four color and four card color. I will give you four color. Okay, the game is the four color card. So the instruction of this game is let's do a quick clarification for this color. The first color is orange. This is for what? What? Okay. And the next is green color. Green card for when. And the blue part is for where. And the last is yellow for who. Do you get it? Yes. So the game is when I say one phrase, you can decide what is the best part for my phrase.
Okay.
You get it?
Yes.
Mau langsung coba atau
Coba dulu.
Okay. The first sentence. In the classroom. 3, 2, 1. What is? Green. Yellow. It's a different answer ya. Di bawah. Which one? Oh, oke. Oke, siapa yang belum ngerti? Esti. Kenapa Esti? Esti jawab ini ya. Kenapa? Apa? Jadi, in the classroom itu apa sih? Tempat. Jadi kalau tempat, when? Oke. You understand?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start ya.
Yes.
Next. Olimpiade Mathematics. What is it? 3, 2, 1. Orange.
Ini apa?
Okay. So the answer is orange. Why?
Olimpiade.
Okay, good. Next. Please contact Freya for more information. What is it? 3, 2, 1. Freya is the name of person.
Yellow.
Okay, yellow. Dana, why you different than others?
I don't know.
I don't know.
No idea.
Oh my god. Okay, so please contact for information to Freya. It means that you karena
Nama Citra.
Okay, good. Give applause teman-teman. committee forget to include the date or the location in that postal announcement, what happens? If they are forget to put the data, the date or the location in the postal, what happens?
Mungkin nggak ada yang
Information.
information.
Another opinion? Misalnya yang lain, misalnya lain tuh di postal itu nggak ada tuh ada tanggal kapan, jelas lagi kapan, jadi apa confused. Ya betul. Jadi when we saw a poster or anything else in the to tell the leaders, we must to include specific and detailed information in that poster. Okay, so can you guess what is the main topic for today? Poster. No. Today we are going to learn announcement. Okay. So today's goal or the learning objective of today's lesson is the first one, understand why. We can learn the social function of announcement and why we make them. Jadi kita akan belajar tentang text announcement. Kenapa sih orang-orang buat teks itu? Lalu the second is dissect how. What is dissect? You know what is dissect? Okay. Di sini break down generic structure of announcement text. Jadi di sini kita akan membedah ada apa saja sih di announcement text itu. And then the third is spot the details. Can identify information like what, when, where, and who in any announcement. And the last is apply your skills to practice analyzing your announcement is important to the group. Okay, let's start. And here, what and why. Who wants to read? Mira, go ahead.
Definition of announcement text. The official notification or spoken notification that's spoken or written to inform people about something that has happened or will happen.
Nah, oke, jadi announcement text itu bisa spoken, bisa written. Yang mana itu teksnya bertujuan memberitahukan kepada pembaca tentang sesuatu yang akan terjadi. Nah, so the purpose of the announcement text is to give public information to a specific group so they can take action, whether it's planning an event, following rules, or staying informed. Jadi tujuannya tentu saja untuk memberitahu kepada pembaca tentang suatu acara atau pemberitahuan tentang peraturan atau hanya untuk memberitahuan sebuah informasi saja. Next, here is anatomy of announcement, but we can call it a generic structure. There is three generic structure of the announcement text. Who wants to read? Ali, okay.
Anatomy of an announcement. First is the head or the name, the opening segment that grabs attention and tells viewers what the announcement is about at a glance. The body or content, the core information, containing all essential data. What is happening, when it occurs, and where it takes place. And the last is the center or closing section that identifies who is responsible for the announcement and provides contact information if needed.
Oke, jadi generic structure-nya itu ada tiga ya. The head, first opening, and then the body or content, and the last center is closing. Opening itu tentu saja pembuka di sebuah teks yang menarik perhatian bagi pembaca. Ini itu kayak judulnya. Nah, lalu yang kedua itu the body or content, ini itu inti isinya dari si announcement ya. Nah, the second is content, dan itu yang tadi awal kita laksanain. Ada what is happening, when it occurs, and where it takes place. And the last is closing. Nah, closing itu kayak yang tadi kita main yang please contact Freya for more information yang itu. Jadi closing atau yang bertanggung jawab atas si teks yang sebenarnya itu orang tersebut. Begitu. Next is grammar tools. Who want to read? Asik.
Grammar tools. Simple present tense. Use real or very good for events. Example. Even will help and drive any work. And correct sentence. Use command to give instruction or request. For example, please register before Friday.
Nah, oke. Thank you, Putri. Nah, di grammar tools announcement text itu ada simple future tense sama imperative sentences. Nah, biasanya di simple future tense itu kita menggunakan kata will or going to. Nah, di sini contohnya di event will be held on July. Berarti acaranya itu akan dilaksanakan tanggal 24 Juli. Lalu next, imperative sentences use commands to give instruction. Nah, itu adalah tadi is register before Friday. Nah, so far do you have any question? No. Okay, now let's play second example. Here the example. Let's do it. Ada yang mau baca? Mau lagi boleh.
In the presentation, online art competition 2026, Ground School held an online art competition to celebrate National Art Day 2026. It's the time to show off the winner artists, students, and compete in these performance categories like singing, traditional dancing, and comedy. The event will be held on October 25, 2022 in 76 at the 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. Join us now. Students can register on our website www.onlineart2026.com. For more information, contact Freya at
Okay, so in this text, what is the opening? The opening or the opening atau the heading yang mana? Online art competition sampai yang kedua. Nah, coba yang kontennya. Ya, terus yang ini berarti situasi. Nah, coba kalau when-nya apa di teks ini?
Event.
Ya. Kalau who-nya? Berarti yang responsible to this announcement. Kalau what-nya apa coba?
Online art competition.
So far, do you have any question?
Berarti kalau begitu harus ada jawaban satu ada
Ya.
harus pakai kau.
Untuk mungkin yang ini kelihatan di sini. Untuk nantinya kan kalian kalau kalian kebingungan ini, nanti kalian bisa tanya ini ke si Freya. Itu acaranya dilaksanain di mana? Itu makanya di sini tulis for more information contact Freya. Gitu. Jadi kalian bisa tanyain ke orang tersebut gimana sih cara daftarnya, atau ini acaranya dilaksanain di mana? Yang harus ada di bawah. Oh, enggak. Kayak ya, itu yang jadi yang bertanggung jawab atas acara ini. Gitu. Jadi kalau kalian mau tanya-tanya tentang ini lakukannya gimana gitu, dan lain sebagainya, kalian tanya pada si mereka yang karena tidak yang mereka punya. Ya, Tuhan. Ya. Begitu ya. Dan yang mau ditanyakan? Tiga menit ya. Udah paham semuanya? Oke, now let's quiz. You bring your phone?
Yes.
Gak punya kuota, soalnya mau aku yang ini sudah nyala.
Ini teman-teman sekolah yang
Jadi coba kalian buka halamannya, terus cari di web Tungku Quiz. Ya, Tungku Quiz. Oke, udah ada siapa nih yang ke satu?
gadis.
Ada Nima, ya. Yang kedua ada Diva. Yang ketiga ada Esti. Nah, ini kalian cuma salah dua dan salah satu ya. Mari kita ini. Coba kalian tahan yang nomor berapa?
Atau ini sebaiknya nama awal deh.
Yang awal.
Yang ada yang tanggal-tanggal ini soal
Tanggal-tanggal.
Juga bisa.
Soalnya kalau dia tanggal itu
Ini tadi siapa yang salah?
Oh.
Speech.
Speech kan.
Dan jauhnya apa dan?
Break. Nomor kan?
Nah, yang benar akan dua.
Oh, break.
Ini.
Well, let's go to the kitchen.
Where do you spot and when did you find the ball at the end of the game?
Saya jadi anak sendiri.
Tidak penting.
Ada yang first itu kan ada.
Yes.
Oh, jadi ada. Okay. Okay, class. Are you happy today? So what did you get this lesson today? The structure of the class Jadi kalau what itu tentang apa?
Rencananya awal yang tentang apa?
What the topic is about? Kalau when berarti location. When ya kalau itu siapa tadi? Itu berarti
Subjeknya.
tahu ya bertanggung jawab atas
Jawab atas
ya.
Ustaz yang buat itu.
Oke. I think that's all for today, Lisa. But before that, I will tell you about the project for next meeting.
Ya.
Next meeting, I hope you can write. Oh no, I mean you can create a digital poster announcement. It's up to you. You can using Canva or anything else, but don't forget to put the detail like list. Okay, next meeting ya.
Oke.
Okay, today we are close this meeting, but before that, let's pray together. Ladies.
So before we go home, let's pray together and begin. Finish.
Okay. Okay, class. That's all for today. See you next meeting, insyaAllah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.